Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to fix Premiere Pro UI lag and freezing bug instantly. Clogged media caches and unoptimized interface workspaces frequently trigger massive UI slowdowns that cause the timeline playhead to stutter or freeze up entirely. First, launch Premiere Pro, but do not open an active project file. Move your cursor to the top left corner, click Edit, and select Preferences from the drop-down menu, then click Media Cache. Locate the section explicitly labeled Remove Media Cache Files, and click the Delete button. Choose the option to delete all media cache files from the system, then click OK to instantly clear out corrupt database files. Next, click on the Memory tab within the same Preferences panel layout. Locate the option labeled RAM Reserved for Other Applications. Click the number and change it to the lowest possible setting to force Premiere Pro to use maximum available system memory. Click OK at the bottom right to lock in your system changes. Now, open your video project layout. Move your cursor to the top menu bar, click Window, hover down to Workspaces, and clear the checkmark from Import Workspace from Projects to stop corrupt panel preferences from loading. Finally, look at the Program Monitor preview window on the right side of the main workspace interface. Click the Select Playback Resolution drop-down menu, which sits right below the video viewport and next to Settings icon, and change it from full down to 1/2 or 1/4 resolution to instantly drop real-time rendering demands. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.